Welcome to another amazing 5 minutes auto pairing. The Aka and FM. Let's try with Grand Prix attack system. Okay. Queen E1 to H4. An attacking maneuver. I guess C2's vulnerable. And Queen. If I just give up the rook and stuff, Queen H4, Knight C2, F5. Yeah, I think I'll go for that. It's dynamic. It feels like Bishop G5 coming up. Forget about C2. Let's go for this attack. There's also F6 immediately on the cards, so I don't think it's such a big deal here, like anyone I think. Right, so Bishop G5 here. In fact, maybe Knight D5 instead of Bishop E7. Or does it matter? I can play Knight D5 after. For Knight F6 potentially. Oh, it's Knight D5 here, Rook D1 first. Save this exchange here. It's Bishop F7 as well to think about. So he's going to lose an exchange if he's not careful. This bishop's nicely eyeing F7, that's something to bear in mind. But E7's the big issue here. If Knight C6 I just take it, Queen's exposed. What does he do about this? F6 is like a double check. This looks like a brilliant attacking position. This looks like a loss of time to take on C2 and come back there.
Check.
Aha. If I leave my rook protected with just G takes for a moment. If Bishop D5, I can just take that. Yeah, that looks pretty bad for black, gotta say. It looks pretty bad. Don't know what black does here. He gives up his queen. Wow. Okay, I guess I'll just take that. There's Bishop F7, Queen H7. Or Bishop F6, just get rid of his dark square bishop maybe. Alright. Keep control of the D file. In fact, F7 is good for Rook D7 potentially. I wouldn't have thought that's enough for the Queen. In fact, I think Bishop F7 is the immediate threat with Rook D7. Okay, he's addressing that. I'll do this. A4, no. Bishop F7, Queen H7, okay. What about, okay, I'll just take this off. Maybe take here. Threatening F6. Also A4 was now supported with the Queen there. If I want to dislodge bishop c6. No, I think it's f6 with g4. Maybe king f2 is rook e2. That bishop f7 again. Queen h7. Oh, he's just resigned here. Okay. Yeah. What? I wonder what the engines thought of that, because there was a Simon Williams games once in the Dutch defence, which looks a bit like this sack. So it looks as though I need to do something about c2, but I played this. And the engine doesn't like it. After f5 though. Now I hear white's better after e takes. So apparently, if he took on a1, f6, alright, he can take here, and play knight c6. Ah, the queen's getting exchanged off. This is a snag. Maybe this is not to be tried at home. Mind you, the evaluation's coming down a bit. It is a dot square kind of weakening. The knight comes back out. Yeah. And this is better for black eventually. But in the game, this apparently is immediately very good for white now. Even if he took the rook. But especially in this continuation, it's like
check.
+4. If I take on the rook, that's okay as well. Yeah, it's pretty bad to lose the queen. Yeah, just e takes. Yeah. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.